Good evening, guys. We're looking now at SoundHound stock, which is down today by 1.5%. Over the past 5 days now, you are seeing a trend which is green by 14%, and over the past month, we're up by 46%. We're asking the question here as to what comes next based on what we are seeing. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions, looking at the latest data and looking at all of the numbers that stand out to me. If it sounds like a good episode, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. At the same time, though, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so you should be doing your own research. Now, diving straight into the video, what stands out to me, and before we do, I'd like to say I also have a Patreon page which you can click the link for in the description, and you'll get a lot of extra content over there. Now, jumping straight over to this stock, well, what stands out to me is the fact that we are now coming up to a very healthy point. Now, you may ask what I'm talking about here, but this stock's been running for a long time. And I know people have this, and I do think it is a delusional belief that stocks are just going to keep going up forever. They can't have pauses, they won't have pauses. They will, right? Most likely stocks will have pauses. A stock that goes up like 100% or so, for example, a line like this, major gap up, in my experience, in my opinion, maybe 7 times out of 10, that's not going to be sustainable, right? And you saw that even here with this stock in particular. But you come to what we're seeing now, we're coming to a much more sustained, a much more stable growth here. And I think these levels, despite the fact people don't like to see their stocks drop, is a good thing. We're seeing the stock consolidate very nicely. We're giving indicators like the RSI a lot of time to cool down, and we're now back into a more healthy range. We were briefly in the overbought. Now, at the same time, we could be looking for a breakout potentially soon. Either way, though, I don't want to see the stock drop below 1740. I think 1740 is a level to watch out for, the lowest level of support that we have seen yesterday and into today as well. I think if you drop below that, you're looking for the next level at 1713, but any lower than that, and I do become personally concerned. Now to the upside, levels that you're going to be potentially struggling at could be levels such as 1815. You could be looking to struggle at levels such as 1850 for the potential push up to 1885 and then on to $19, 1930 as the wick of this candle that we have seen. I think the stock now has come to a very good point. I think what we're seeing here is just that healthy push, that nice consolidation, and if anything, this is going to potentially allow us to push higher into the future with more sustainable levels of support to clock onto. Again, levels are now coming down to a much more neutral level on the 1 month chart for the RSI. You can see on the 3 month chart now, we are looking at this one, again, still relatively overbought, but you are seeing it cool down slightly. So on indicators, I don't think it's a bad thing at all. I think this is a great opportunity for the stock to consolidate a little bit. I think this is potentially preparing us for that next level up. So that's just my personal opinion. You guys may agree, may disagree. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comment section. I think as long as we hold these levels of support to the downside, things are relatively strong, and we could be seeing even more growth to come. Although again, these are levels to absolutely watch out to, as if we break below these, things could become a little bit more difficult. Either way, if you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a like and subscribing, and I will of course give you guys another update in the next couple of days. Thank you, see you again soon. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.